He has $8 million left on the cap. His end.
Let me see. Let's go back a little further. All right, so we're gonna go back to 2020. All right. So one of the things I always do, Shay, is where's price going? Price is going there. That's great. We should see price come up here and then give us something a little up, and then it should continue down, right? Because we've already shown weekly bearishness. If you like, think of it like this: you see this one candle, 1, 2, weekly, right? So you had a break on one weekly, you had another break on two. That's literally like just textbook, right? So most traders, right? They would just trade it kind of like this. They will see that weight here, then and come up like that, which is fine. But what I'm looking at is price now. What we're looking at now, that's what I'm seeing now. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's go down to the daily. Yeah, for sure. You have I'll mark an area right here. I'll even mark one right here. You got one. This already area. Okay. This is the main area from here. Price came up, came down. So that's the area. Price came up, shot down. So yeah, so that's my areas. Okay. So I'll wait for price to move. Oh shit, I forgot to mark these areas out. Damn. Look, I just totally forgot, but we leave it alone. I'm still to the downside. But that's the beautiful part of it. This right here would have been a beautiful move. There's reversal, markup. Probably I'd have probably had to run that high, and that's probably what I took profit at. But yep, see, that's why I took the profit. Ran that high right there. So relevant at this point. All right, what could we get? So from where price is at, I want to see price here continue to push up. Ugh. Oh man, you like that, Shay? Be like that. Now I'm not putting the line above here. I mean, not saying you can't, but like I said, not saying you can't. That probably like if you would have traded this probably would have been a break even. Same thing with that. This would have been. I could tell. I know the break evens. Oh no, you wouldn't enter in this one anyway. Let's see how price continuing down. So my next area that I made, I probably might be down here. Really, I want it down here. Like when I look at the what are these called? These liquidity area. I like to couple those in with a gap. See that gap right here? In between here, there's a gap. So when I see liquidity and I see the gap, those are my favorite areas all day, every day. Not saying this area, like see this area right here? There's a gap inside here as well. I can see it. So what I do is I'll draw the rectangular gap goes from here to there. So price could still give you that move. There's no gap right here. So I got my line right there. It could still give you the move, but it didn't. All right, so we're not that move. For that. That's a that must that move. So I'm gonna wait. This is on a higher time frame, so we might be getting the markup. that's the case, I could put an area line right here. I can see what it does. You know what I'm saying? So that would have been, you know, a beautiful area. I'm really just showing you in the sense of showing you how price is moving. And you already know how to draw liquidity lines and all that stuff. So I just want you to see how I would mark it. You know what I'm saying? See the gap? The gap. You see how to see this? You see why I didn't put the line underneath this candle right here? I put under this because this is still a daily candle. This is still a last move down. It's just on the daily time frame. So I know that if I couple that in with this area, with this liquidity line, you're gonna get this. Now we have a markup. Now we have a move up. Oh, so now we have our move up. Oops. So you see price. There we go again. Gap. Liquidity line. Oh, that's ugly. Let's move this. Yeah, right there. Might not get nothing from it. Might not even come back. But do we have a gap here? It's a small gap, but it's there. Small gap. The gap could be very small gap. Came right through. So now we're back down at this area right here. The area where we initially saw a better gap and a better liquidity line that never came back. So let's see if we can get a move from there. Oh my geez. Oh. All right. We also have a smaller gap. These are all areas. Now, if you want to continue to ride it to the downside, you can do that. You know what I'm saying? You can see, like, you can even mark it to where you could see a gap here and trade it down. It all depends on your daily, on your bias or where you think the market's going. I will initially say this is still bearish, but you know, whatever. So that was that was ended up the area that worked. This was more so the area, and of course it's going to be like that because it's closer towards the actual, you know, the actual move itself. You know what I'm saying? The actual lift off, the takeoff in that move. You know, it's funny. You get some traders, they'll do like this, and they'll trade it. You know, the 61.8. Yeah, it's not gonna happen, Shay. I can see the 61.8 without even drawing that. So anyway, let's keep it going. All right, now you see, I'll take that off. Take that off. Let's say I wanted to draw this move here, and I wanted to see a price would get into this gap right about here. Not saying you can still get a move, right? Like you can still get a move. You know what I'm saying? Yep. See what I'm saying? You can still get a beautiful move. So when you see these liquidity areas, you won't. I don't think I've ever like when you see a gap like that and you see that little wick. Remember, this on a daily time frame. So essentially, this is definitely a last move down, not move up. Oh, my little son's calling my name. And then you have the gap there. So I coupled the gap in with liquidity. What's up? That's a spider. That's a spider. Why didn't you kill it? Oh, you know, I don't kill bugs, bro. Beautiful. See? You're funny, bro. You're funny dude, B. All right. Keep it going. We still got this liquidity line. right here as well, because we still have a gap down here, coupled in with our liquidity.
Daddy,
What's up? I don't see no motherfucking spider boy. Let's see, is it gonna continue up? Could continue up, but I wouldn't have traded down there. You know, I'm not trading this demand zone. So, in my opinion, from what I can see, I do see. I'm not saying these lows can't get ran, but either way, I haven't seen liquidity being grabbed and etc. So this right here, see, this is a zone, but this zone is probably gonna get blown right through, right? It's gonna get blown right through. And this is where traders go wrong, Shay. This shit right here, this is crap. No. No, 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 no. We don't trade like that. You know what I'm saying? We don't trade like that. See that? See that last candle wicked in? That's how we trade. We don't do that taking zones from across way back in the fucking 60s. All right. So now we have a move from it. I'm trying to see to get to here. Like a lot of these areas, you can trade a lot of these areas. I'm not saying definitely can. You could trade this area when it gets there. Yeah, all that. So I still feel I can still see gold moving to the upside. Why? Because it's look at it from a point, a map like this point. See this right here? I'm not saying I'm right, but all this is removed, right? So end of the day, all this might come down and shoot up. Just because we had that break. So what I want to see is hold on. What I want to see is I want to see price get down here because this last move up broke that. So I want to see price come down here, give us a move, and shoot up. That's what I want to see. If we can get it. No, we did not get it. Oh, we didn't get it, Shay. So let's see. We're at the area that we talked about, right? So here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I need to teach you how to read these candles, Shay. Look at this close. You have a break right here, and then you have a break right here. You have two breaks, right? So my thing is I want to trade it here down. What I want to do is all this liquidity that's here, I want to see price run all this liquidity right there. That's what I want to see. May not happen, but that's what I'm trading on. That's what I would trade. So if I did a trade, I could take this area. That's crazy. Actually, you know what? Hold on. I don't like that because I'd rather see price run this. So I'll take two setups. I'd rather see price run that, but we're gonna trade this first. We're gonna push it, get it down. Just about a 1 to 3. Where's the 1 to 3 taking? Just down around here. We'll see. Don't really like to call tops like that. I'd rather just be in the flow of it, but we're gonna go with it, Shay. If it hits, we got to move down. We just didn't get to move back up into our area. Yeah. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. All right, that sucks. Okay. You see how I be doing this? This should be so sweet, Shay.
It's hot.
So
It's
easy.
hot, Daddy.
You say you hot?
Yeah.
Oh, good for you. So I got you. I'm gonna take your hoodie off, okay? It'll be so fucking hot. Fuck still. What happened, Nanny? Let's see if we can get down to that yellow line. I don't know why. I just feel like this be a beautiful, beautiful area. And so could we have manipulation? Could we? So I could do two things, Shay. Well, no. Yeah. Take it here. Take it here. Or take it right there. So one is the open of the candle. Oh, sorry. One is the close. Not close, one is the liquidity line, the 50% of the last down candle, and the other one is literally the open of the candle is really right here. So it's actually essentially the same thing. Well, in this case, it's the same as the liquidity, but usually it's three different entries you can have. And then you also got the fair value gap, but you're not going to see the fair value gap because of the higher time frame. So let's see what we get. Let's see if we just get a move, even if we break even. We got filled. We're in the trade now. Now it's just up to you if you want to break even. Right now, you 60.44. Yeah, you're up about 140 pips. Hold on. I'm that right. So you're up about 120 pips. You know what I'm saying? It's just completely up to you. Now, in this instant, I would just draw a price range and I would figure out. Yeah, so it's about right there. So yeah. No, what am I doing? Wrong tool. My bad, Shay. I'll put this here, and I will take this down and see exactly where this is. Is this what is it? This is a zero. So 1-to-1 is actually right there. That's a 1-to-1. So if that's a 1-to-1, that's what essentially I would move my stop. Now some people may move it faster because they don't want to get lose their money. Boom. So I move my stop now. We're already at a 1-to-1. And now I could take this off. I can let the rest run. Ooh, broke even. Why did I thought this free like that? So we broke even. That's it. This is going to eventually push to this. Look, I don't know why I feel like this is going to the downside. But yeah, that's it, man. It's all about how you manage it. Oh shit! Well, that was the move right there. Ah, damn. If you just kept if I didn't break even, Shay, it took three attempts. But that's how it'll be. Sometimes it ain't like that. Sometimes it's one time and it's gone. So, but you see that. But I want you to fuck all this. I want you to see the area that I drew out and why I had that area in advance. As I told you, Shay, I know exactly where price is going to go. When the price gets to a certain area, I know what's gonna happen. I knew when it came to this gap and it came to this liquidity, we're going to the upside. Beautiful. That's beautiful charting right there. All right. So even to this point, if you're on these moves, it just depends on how you want to trade them, how you want to chart them. You know what I'm saying? If you're confident in your liquidity areas, if you see the gap right here, there is a gap right there. It's a small gap. Small gap. And of course, it got there. We should see it pierce through. Let's see if we can get a move back up. Nope, gonna keep declining. So that means you're not taking a trade. only other area I see is down there. Wait, that's essentially literally it, Shay. You're never gonna get caught in bad trades because you're never going to be in a trade because it's not going to follow your rules. You know what I'm saying? I was literally going to mark this right here, but I said no because I didn't see the gap clear right here. Like right, I was actually gonna put the jump right there, and I was looking at the gap that was between here and here, and I was like but you know it worked out. So now what I want to do is I want to put this line over top of here. Oh, we're not gonna get there. Oh no. Oh no, come on. I wanted to break that line, say. It is definitely where we at? Okay. So we're in 2023 now. I don't think we're gonna break it, nope. All right, so we're not breaking that, buddy. Have a nice move up. So even right here, what? So we've already cleared all this. So we clearly know that. And even this move here, like I wouldn't even have traded this. You know what I'm saying? Most likely I would. Couldn't grab liquidity really for me. Enough for me. It didn't do it long. It didn't do it good enough for me. Price moving up. We have another. Well, see, you might put the line right here, shit, right? Last move up. On a last move up, but what I see is essentially I see this. Well, mainly because of this candlestick right here. Because this candlestick is right after the gap. It's right after this gap, which is right here. Right? It was right here. So that's where I'll be trying to buy. If price comes back down, we're already at the upside. It seems like we're headed for these highs right here. This high right here, we're headed there. So that's about it. We're going down. See how this? Now, not saying this still could work. I'm not saying this line wouldn't work. You know what I'm saying? But in this case, you would have gotten broke even, right? You got broke even. Now it's past this line. I want to see it cross back above. Oh, goddamn. See, this didn't actually. Yeah, hell no. But I can still take a trade though. I'm still like, you know, long position. Right here. That's too low. I put it right below here, and then trade to this area. Get a nice little. Oh no, I don't do that. No. We can put it up there. That's it.
You did it, Daddy?
Huh?
You did it?
I didn't even get filled. You said what?
You did it?
I did it. But that's essentially how that shit goes, Shay. Literally, I'm gonna go to one more pair. I'm just gonna do one more thing real quick. Say hi, Shay.
I said.
This my homie. This my good friend.
Yeah.
I used to call her Shay Baby, but you know, can't call her Shay Baby. So she's just Shay. Oh no. Let's go to UJ or something. Or no, I go to NASDAQ. I know you like NASDAQ. So I go to NASDAQ. I just want to go. I just want to point. I just want you to be able to see it. You know. Another video I'm gonna actually do it on market replay, but I'm actually do it to where you'll see me like take live trade, you'll see the money move and all that stuff. FX replay. So let's go ahead and let's push it here. So all I want you to do is focus on looking for your liquidity areas and your fair value gaps. Look to the left, right? Where's price at currently? Current price is currently has been here, right? Price was here. No, cool. Can we see price? Let's see. What do we see over here? Do we see any gaps? Well, I see this area because I see this gap here. The price hasn't even gotten there yet, right? Do I see another gap? I see one. I do. So what I'm gonna do is I see one right here. Smaller gap. I even see one really right here. You have to train your eyes and seeing these type of moves in the market, and I put the line right there. In the very next area, we'll be around right here. So let's see what we get. Beautiful. Now you're gonna say you wouldn't be able to capitalize off this move, Shay. Now I don't know if you see the gap on that move, but you just gotta just look hard. You see this wick? See this wick? You see the last wick, which is pretty much right here, from here to here. You know what I'm saying? This needs to be down here. Yeah. That's it. And there's your liquidity line. So now you're waiting. So once price drops below it, you can take that trade, Shay. Now, see price, see that manipulation? This is the manipulation right there. And this is why I say stay out the lower time frames when it comes to market and stuff. Because this would have happened to you if you were on the 15-minute, the 5-minute, or the 1-minute right there. So all you gotta do is now wait for price to close below. And that's it. And you look, it manipulated again. It literally broke the high again. That's why I do this on a higher time frame to avoid the manipulation. And now it lets me know that cool, the market's ready. So I don't know if you would have been able to enter in this trade, probably on a 4-hour for sure. Man, that's literally all it is. And you're taking it down to this low. I don't know if it's gonna. I don't know if it would. Yeah, it just shot away. But let's go ahead and see what price does when it gets. Now, if price does eventually get back up here, this is gonna be like non-void. You're not even gonna see it do anything. It's just gonna blow right through it. I can erase it. Oh, didn't get down. Come on, I really want to get down that shit. I really want to feel like I'm a dog. So, but it didn't. So where did it stop at? So I do that too. I go here and I say, so where did it stop at and why? That's how I got good at this shit. Yeah, no, I wouldn't have traded that shit. Now you can say I wouldn't have traded that. Like there's no way I would have. Nope. Liquidity's got to clear. Oh shit, you might get it. No, you ain't gonna get it. Now you definitely had what did it do, Shay? It came up to this line and you would have got it. You would have got to close above below on a 4-hour probably. This came into this gap right here. Gap from here to there. But yeah. So easy shit, Shay. I'm kind of curious if the price ever comes back down to my little area. Like I would have showed you, like I wasn't yeah, probably gonna do it. Damn it. Nope. Line. Damn, nigga.
I'm sorry.
Um, yeah, so let's see. Oh, it just got away. It's gone. It is gone, Shay. Where we at? Yeah, so that's essentially where it's at. Yeah, it's gone. Let me get back. So this is where price is currently at now. And as you see right there, I could just go. I keep telling you, Shay. I keep telling you. Where did it literally go to? Right? Did it not come here? Did it not come to this fair value gap right? This gap here? And that liquidity line is only to let you know where price close above and below. Then this is just to let you know where there's an influx of an imbalance in the market. You just couple those together and that's it. Now you're not saying you could have still placed it here because obviously you have what I call the last down, last up candle, right? Right, and then you trade underneath it. You'd have got a good move. So that's still you can still even do it like that because even here there's still a gap in between here. The price filled in this gap. But ultimately, you see, that was the move. That was it. That was the move. That's it, Shay. Ran the high, right? So easy shit, man. Work on when you look at the charts. Work on looking at those areas where you see. Oh, I'm just going. I'm just randomly scrolling, Shay. I don't even know what price is, but do you see anything? You know what I'm saying? Like, I see a gap. Yeah, there's a gap here. Did I have that price marked on? I don't know. That's how fast I can't remember. You see the gap right there. You see the last down candle right there. Couple that in. Let's see what price does when it gets there. You know, whatever. If it gets there. Or based on where price is right now, do I see any other? Do I see anything else? Oops. They're going to formulate. Oh yeah, price is going down. Or even this gap, even this. Well, I can flip this and put this here. Huh. I could have flipped that and did that there. I still could put this back down there. I want to see if I can get there though. Nah, I'm not worried about that. That's done. Yeah, see, I don't even need to draw the gaps to myself. I'm just drawing it all illustration purposes. But yeah, I would just put the line, especially right there. I'll just wait and see if price got there. Now this would have been a break even, but there's another gap right here. I mean, you know what I'm saying? It's two of them. Last down candle, you see a wick below that. Fair value gaps in there. This would have been a break even. This would have been a no trade. Now, in this sense, this could still be a trade. I could still take this here, place my stop loss below here, and then, you know, trade up from that way. That's it. I'm just being consistent, Shay. That's all. Some people move with a break even. Some people like me won't. And that's it. At this point, I'll probably move to break even. Well, I'll do it. I mean, that's beautiful, right? That's it. Easy peasy, shy. It ain't hard at all. Just give yourself different opportunities within that, within the trend. You be straight. This opportunity didn't work. It would have broke you even for sure. You wouldn't have lost money because I can see how it did make a move. You would have moved stop. Down here, same thing. Just closer to the base though, closer to the actual lift off from the move, takeoff. Came below, boom, came down, came up. That's it. This would have been, I don't know what that would have been, but it would have been a lot of money for sure. And NASDAQ, oh yeah, had down here. You know, it was a 3 to 1. All right, 1 to 3. All right, cool. So that's it, Shay. Is that easy? You notice something? You don't see these gaps? You don't see the last down candle? Price might just keep trending, keep going. It might just keep going. Look at that shit. Just keep going. Come on. This shit is easy. Easy. None of this shit right here. None of this. Nope. None of that, Shay. Nope. Now people wonder, what happened? How? Why? Why did it do that? You know why. Easy, Shay. We know why it happened. So that's all. That's it. I can like just keep going and going and going and going, but I think you get the picture by now. So that's good. Even here, I know you would not probably see this. It's a gap too. You know why? Because the wick is down here and the last wick is here. So there's a gap in between. You have a break of this high, right? So meaning that this was this, right? Put the line below. So price came down. We got the manipulation. Close back above. Up. That's how you do that. Hit me up when you watch it. Let me know what you learn if if it makes sense.